Should we just get started or?
I don't know. Do you have a word of the day picked out yet?
No, I haven't even thought about it actually. Let me think. Well, you got any ideas? What do you think, sweetie? What should be the Ojibwe word of the day?
Let me think. A Ojibwe word of the day. What should we really say? I don't know.
I don't know either. Should we just make it a commercial? All right, how about this? Hey, everybody, welcome back to the show. And today, our Ojibwe word of the day, ZHOONIYAA. We're trying to make some money, ZHOONIYAA. If you want to, there's a lot of books on sale on Amazon for, Ojibwe language. And quite honestly, some of these, we actually, there's a lot, don't buy them all. I mean, this book, most of it's, I don't know, I'm doing a terrible job. All right. All right. Should we do another song?
Yeah, okay. How about this one? Ooh, child, things are gonna get easier. Ooh, child, things are gonna be brighter. Ooh, child, things are gonna get easier. Ooh, child, things are gonna be brighter. Someday we'll get it together, then we'll get it all done. Someday when your head is much lighter. Someday walk in the rays of a beautiful sunrise. Someday when your head is much lighter.
Hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and on the guitar this morning is Natasha. Ikadon BOOZHOO, sweetie. Say hello to the people. Say hello to the Anishinaabe.
BOOZHOO, Gakina! Hello, everyone. How you doing?
And yeah, and so we're starting out bright and early today. So for the the sun's just coming up, and I thought it would be a good Ojibwe phrase of the day. MINO GIGIZHEB.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. MINO GIGIZHEB. MINO GIGIZHEB. Yeah. So MINO GIGIZHEB. Good morning. And I hope you do have a good morning. Are you having a good morning, sweetie?
Oh, yeah, I'm having a great morning. Are you having a good morning?
Every morning's good when I'm here with you.
Ah.
All right. MINO GIGIZHEB. Good morning. And with that, I'm going to say, I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Minowa. Hoa. All right. Should we do another song?
Yeah, okay. I got no time and I don't know why. I got no time and you don't know why. I don't know why, but I don't feel right. I don't feel right. I don't feel the same way today. Today, I don't feel the same way today. Do you really like North Dakota? Wouldn't you rather live in Minnesota? The days are short and the nights are colder. She doesn't know because I never told her. I got no time, I don't know why. I got no time and you don't know why. I don't feel right, I don't feel right. I don't feel right, I don't feel the same way today. Today, I don't feel the same way put you on a pedestal till you were no longer credible. And I put you up so you could let me down. Oh, maybe it's time for time to leave this town. Maybe you heard I got no time, I don't know why. I got no time, and you don't know why. I don't know why, but I don't feel right. I don't feel right. I don't feel the same way today. Today, I don't feel the same way today. Today, 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 today.
Na 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 na. It's upside down. Ladies and gentlemen,